This is it, the start of everything.
Remember, we are always with you.
Make us proud, son.
I promise I won't let you down.
First time in the city, is it?
Yes, just arrived from Mumbai.
You'll love it here. London's got a life of its own.
This is it, a new beginning. I won't let them down.
So, have you thought about how you'll manage your finances here? It's crucial with the high living costs in London.
Honestly, I'm overwhelmed. There are just so many options.
Mate, let me introduce you to something that changed my life. Investments, specifically through a stocks and shares ISA.
I've heard of ISAs, but never paid much attention. What's so special about them?
Offers a tax-efficient way for individuals in the UK to save or invest their money. Think of it this way, Aditya. While saving money in a regular bank account keeps your savings secure, the low interest rates barely allow it to grow. An ISA, on the other hand, has the potential to increase your capital over time as you're investing in stocks.
It sounds liberating, but isn't investing risky?
Of course, no investment is free of risks, but over time, the market has historically offered good returns, investments across different sectors to manage the risk. Plus, we're young, Aditya. We have time on our side to take measured risks for greater returns.
All right, I'm intrigued. Maybe it's time I explore this opportunity.
To new beginnings, my friend. Let's make the most of it.